Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna decline it. Maybe if I shouldn't have declined it, I want to decline it for Emily. I know she didn't mean to do that.
Emily didn't mean to do that. What is she playing with you?
See it?
What is she playing?
Madden.
Does she know she's playing Madden?
No, she doesn't. Actually, nobody's winning, Mom. And I said,
Setting up play action. What a catch! Touchdown! And so it's good for 6. This quarterback has a tremendous understanding of what this defense is trying to do to him. He's simply moving around with his eyes and finding the open guy. He is really playing beautiful football right now.
Emily. Emily. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Hi. Are you playing football?
and she's losing. It's okay, she's losing.
Tennessee lines up with 3 receivers.
What team is she playing for?
Dumps it out right.
The Texans.
The Texans?
Yeah, but she's doing it.
Bobby says you're not doing very good.
I say you are. I say you are. I say she's doing very.
Check out her face. Are you playing? Emily, is Bobby teaching you how to play football?
Nice.
It looks like they'll go for 2. Back to punt. They fake it.
Okay, yeah, they've been sitting here like this for 5 minutes before I even got the camera.
Yay.
Go, Emily.
2 in this situation. Kendrick and pin them deep in their own territory with a good punt here. And he's out of bounds, incomplete.
When you won that play, Emily, I want you to have the ball.
Takes this one deep.
Bless you.
They turned it over on downs their last time out.
Bless you. Bless you.
Okay, we gotta play.
At the 20.
Emily,
They're packed in
you're gonna win
tight
the
on
game,
line.
right? You wanna win? I don't care who won.
Makes the run.
Oh,
Sack.
She's very advanced, don't
I
you
got
think?
it.
They're on the blitz. We're starting to see a lot of these kind of guys come in the league. Those who specialize
Who are you?
in rushing.
I'm the Tennessee Titans.
And he's on your team? No, she's the Texans?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't be specific on who's going to try and block this great pass rusher.
Oh.